Hello everyone, in this video we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is how to add values on data points in a chart in case of QlikView. So basically we have to load the data first and then we have to select the chart which we want and we can add the values on the data point. So go to file, edit script, click on table files, select it as coefficients, click on open. Next, 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 finish. So this is basically the load. This is basically the code which is generated. Now click on OK. Click on reload. It will ask us to save it as. So we'll go over here and save it as say 15.1. Yeah, so it is being loaded. Now right click, go to the new sheet object, click on the chart. So I'll give the title as copy sales. So window title is copy sales. I will keep the chart as bar chart only, simple. Click on next. Click on sum. Select the field as F. Paste. Click on OK. Click on next. 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 Select multicolor. Click on next. 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 Finish. So this is basically the chart which is being created over here. Actually the field name is displayed as sum of F. So at the top it is being given in the form of A, B, C, D alphabetical manner. So this is basically the copy sale numbers. So actually it is being sold around 250. So these are the products. Yeah. So I'll maximize this so it can be visible. So this is the thing. So in this way, if you want to add the data points, click on the chart and go to properties. Then go to this expression. Click on values on data points. Now these are the values which will be created on the data points. Now click on OK. So in this way we can add the values on the data points. So I hope you have understood how to add the values on the data. Thanks for watching and have a good day.